So I'm heading home today. I'm so excited to get to see my family and my mom. And been thinking, I think that's what you do a lot when you drive. And today I want to challenge people to say thank you to somebody. I think thinking about the life of the beautiful little baby, Ashlyn Mike, I think it's really important for us to say thank you to those people in our lives who support us, and those people that remind us of our teachings of Diné'é. And my heart still shakes at the loss of that little girl and the pain that I'm sure her family still feels even all these days later. And so with all of that, and in my drive, I've just been thinking about how can we be better? How can we challenge ourselves to be better people and help each other? And I think sometimes that starts by saying thank you for the teachings that we have. And through that conversation, we can challenge ourselves to learn more and hopefully get to a place of finding more answers for us, for our people. So that's what I'm thinking about today, and I wanted to share that with all of you and hope that you're well. Ihyehet to you, beautiful souls, for all the ways that you shine, for all the ways that you impact me. Ihyehet.